solve for y. Here we have an equation involving fractions. One way would be to eliminate the fractions by finding the LCD. The LCD here among all of these fractions would be x, y, z. So what we need to do is multiply each term by x, y, z to eliminate all the fractions. You notice that I am not adding or subtracting these fractions. I'm multiplying each term by x, y, z to eliminate the fractions. So here I get 1 over x, 1 over y, 1 over z. By doing that, you'll notice that the x drops to 1, 1 reduces to 1, so as z. So I would get y z minus x z is equal to x y. Now I'm changing this, as you see, to a linear equation. Now I can solve for any variables I want to. Here they're asking me to solve for y. I notice that this term and this term both contains y in there, so I need to move both of them in one side of the equation. If I subtract x, y from both sides of the equation, I would get y z minus x y. If I add x z to both sides of the equation, it would cause that minus xz move to the right becomes plus xz. Now you notice you're solving for y. I have y here, I have y here. I have to factor the y. So here give me z minus x. So the coefficient of y really is z minus x. So you're solving for y here. So what you need to do is divide both of the equations by coefficient of y. So if I do that, I divide both of the equation by z minus x, then I can isolate y. So y would be equal to xz over z minus